Now the debugger is running. Now we can go ahead and pass the name pink that we know is not on our database. Then the code stop where we actually want to be. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the step into. Now as soon as I step into, there is an exception here. Now what is the exception that's been thrown here? Now remember, we are not handling exceptions here. Okay, so the code is going to crash. So we see access violation. And if we come to the variable color name here, we can see that error reading characters of string. So there is a problem here in the way we've done things here. So now since we are dereferencing color name here and we're passing the size, now this is basically what we call, this is an array of character. Remember, when you enter, for instance, pink, there is like 1, 2, 3, 4 characters in pink. Okay, so which means we need to pass the size here so that it can actually work. So we're going to stop this code. Okay, then we pass the size of this character array. Then we're going to remove the pointer sign. Then automatically you can see that the error is indeed gone. So now let's go ahead and run this again one more time in debug mode. We're leaving our breakpoint right there. So we enter again pink with our 4 characters, and then we go enter. Okay, so now this time around, if we come here, you can see that we are reading pink. Okay, we're reading pink. There is no more error. Okay, there is no more access violation. Now let's step into this line of code. Now we step into, as you can see that this here is false, right? This is false. Okay, so because it's false, we automatically came out. Now remember, the first color here is black, so we're going to circle through all of them all the way down to the color white.